Hello everyone, this is Yashasvi Patel again with you with a new topic, Fundamental Unit of Life. This is part 1 for the chapter. This is for class 9th biology and I hope you will understand well. Today this is the part 1 and part 2 will be soon uploaded. So let's get started. Contents we will study in this chapter are introduction of cells and discovery of cells. Just these two important components contents we will study in this video. So the first is introduction to cell. The structural and functional unit of living beings is called cell. That everyone know, but do you know the smallest unit of living being that we are a body? Okay, the smallest unit is a cell, and group of cells which have similar functions form tissue. Group of tissue which have similar functions, similar origin forms an organ, and so on and so on. That's our body builds. The cell is the main component of a body. So you can write this definition too, that the structural and functional unit of living beings is called cell. You can see the diagram here. Hope it is visible. Yeah. You can see the blue part here, that's cytoplasm. Right? And the yellow part, that cell membrane. Like we have walls, cell wall is also a part. Okay, like we have walls to protect us from many things, many natural things. It has cell membrane, which allows few. It is permeable, semi-permeable. Many types of cell membrane it has. The mitochondria, it is energy sac, nucleus. Like we have brain, computer has CPU, it has nucleus. DNA, yes, the main important things. Okay, it is also important. You can note it that DNA. You have seen in movies or in television that for checking that it is relative. He is relative to she. How it is relative? Let's check the DNA. DNA is the test that it stands for genetic information, not all the information. We will not go deep in it. It has endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, and Golgi apparatus. Okay. Now, what is cytology? The cell and its structure are studied under a branch of biology. It is a branch of biology. In it, cell and its structures. Like this is picture of cell and its structure, the named of and many types of their structures. These are studied under a branch of biology, and that branch of biology is cytology. Hope you understood. So next topic is discovery of cell. So discovery of cell is the main important. So the lines here noted, you can note it in copy also. Okay. First, Robert Hooke. If there's a question that who discovered cell first, you can answer Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke in 1665. He was an Englishman and first curator of Royal Society of London. Observed a thin section of bark of tree under self-designed microscope. He has a self-designed microscope. Okay, he noticed honeycomb-like compartments, hexagonal compartments. He named that honeycomb-like compartments. Like in honeycomb, we have like compartment hexagonal, right? He coined the term cell. Then he said that a cell. Cell, we know in buildings you can also see that it is a cell. An empty room is called a cell. Okay, because he actually observed a dead cell. Main point is he not observed a living cell. He observed a dead cell. He wrote a book, Micrographia. In his book he wrote that what he observed. So if you have time, so you can read on it. Okay. Now second, Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1674 was first to observe living cells like bacteria from tartar of teeth. Teeth has tartar, and from that erythrocytes. Erythrocytes it is in fish, and sperms were called animalcules and protozoans, example Vorticella. Okay, Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1674. Main point: when he seen observe a living cell. Robert Hooke observed a dead cell. Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed a living cell. In which year? 1674. The main point to be noted. And Grew in 1682 proposed cell concept which states that cell is unit of the structure of organism. So, who said that it is a unit of structure of our body, unit of structure of all the organism? And Grew said. In which year? 1600 and 1682. Rudolf Virchow proposed that new cell arise from pre-existing cell. Who proposed? Rudolf Virchow. In which year? 1858. He said the like a cell is dead. Okay, so new cell from dead cell. If a cell is dead, from dead cell a new cell will grow. So he proposed that theory. Who proposed? Rudolf Virchow in the year 1858. Now the last but not the least, Knoll and Ruska in 1932. Which year? 1932. Designed the electron microscope which was employed to study ultrastructure of cell and various cell organelles. We have seen that how in normal microscope we are not able to see the inner parts of a cell, but Knoll and Ruska designed an electron microscope. Which microscope? Electron microscope, and which was employed to study the ultrastructure of cell. We can go through the cell and study these parts. So who helped it? Knoll and Ruska in year 1932. Hope you understood this part, and thank you for watching. Part 2 will be soon uploaded. Hope you understand these parts, and if you want any other theory, I will explain it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Until then, hands on, minds on, and keep preparing.